What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Nama aku Rais, and for those yang dah subscribe, thank you so much. And for those yang belum guys, hit the subscribe button. So today aku akan lowkan kereta aku with the H&R Sport Spring, like finally. And before that guys, aku nak buat some photo shoot with Bob video for this morning. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully korang tengok this video sampai habis because ada giveaway for you all guys. Peace, let's go. Morning. Morning bro. So this is it. We are ready for photo shoot. Maybe tunggu for McD buka lah, for grab some breakfast kan. So all set. The camera dah bawa, video pun dah bawa. Clean E60. I don't know though, like Nado Grey is the perfect colour lah for E60 kan. What do you guys think? Comment down below though. Or should I wrap or repaint with the Nado Grey juga? I don't know. Okay guys, finally McD dah buka. Let's go. Oh, setting dulu video. Okay, all good. Alright guys, so currently we'll be doing our photo shoot kat Starbucks. This is like the prettiest Starbucks. We're chilling kat sini, breakfast, and check out the environment. Lawa gila doh kat sini. Like I don't know, this Starbucks dah viral lah kat TikTok kan, but like finally we are here. Benda yang paling jahat, terus ada McD, dia lepak kat Starbucks. Kita layan everything.
Abang ni hidungnya. So dia okey.
Look at that, perfect breakfast. So we are ready for photo shoots. And kalau korang nak tengok the pictures, boleh tengok kat that F10 punya Instagram page, alright. Second spot, lawa gila kat sini. Bob, ni cun doh. Ni cun gila. So guys, what is the giveaway? Actually my friend just bought his dream car. You all have to teka kereta apa kawan aku beli. Okay, aku akan pilih seorang je, and the winner akan dapat RM500. Terms and condition ada kat Instagram aku, and check out the post and follow the terms and condition. Okay guys, so all the best. Peace. Wow, check this out guys. It is a used condition, and the previous owner baru pakai like 3 months. But look at that though, the condition is still nice. So enough talking, jom kita pasang, okay? Alright, we made it to Kakimoto for the installation. Yes sir. Alright guys, so this is my current fitment. Look at that, there are 3 fingers there. And right now I'm running on Bilstein with stock spring. Okay, and let's check out belakang punya fitment. Okay, ada 2 jari setengah. So hopefully combination of Bilstein and H&R can give me the best fitment and the best drive. So I can't wait. Let's see. Okay,
Three days later.
alright guys, the moment of truth. Bam! Check out the fitment guys. Shoosh! You can see the difference. Look at that. 2 jari dah tu guys. Woo! Lovely, lovely. Belakang not much, but okay, still okay. So alright guys, that's it. Hopefully you guys join the giveaway, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Okay, shoo.